What's up guys, looking for the F zoom in and zoom out template? You've landed on the right video. So this template, or let me say this project, is something that is currently trending on social media like Instagram and TikTok. And if you're looking to get this template and use for your creations or for your project, you've landed on the right video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you the template or the way you can easily create this on your own without any hassle and for completely free of charge. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before we go any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you need to check the video description to get any link mentioned in this video, and also to get a complete guide on how this is actually done without you skipping any step. Okay, so don't forget to check that description out. So this F zoom in and zoom out template is something that's currently on the trend right now, and if you've been on through the social media platform, you've probably found a couple of creators using it. Okay, but the thing with it is that you can't find it on this CapCut. Okay, you can't find among CapCut editing templates, and it's something that is only on reserve, and not many people have a source of getting this. Okay, but what you should know is that the process is very easy and straightforward. Okay, even though it's gonna take some time at some point, but it's completely free of charge and legal to do. Okay, all right, so first things first, you'll be needing a VPN. Okay, so I will recommend any VPN that connects to either Australia or Singapore. As you can see, you just come to your Play Store if you're on Google, or App Store if you're on iOS, and search for an Australian VPN, just like so, and you should download something that comes up at the instant. Okay, so after downloading the VPN, you just want to open it. All right, and then click connect. Now you're connected to the VPN. Let's proceed to the next step, where I will explain why you needed to connect to this VPN. Okay, so next you have to open your browser and come onto this website. Okay, I'm opening a new tab and search for it, Keyframes.com. The link will be provided in the video description, as well as a complete guide to this. Okay, so straight up, you should be signed up. You should be signed in to my account. I'm going to sign out just so you can capture the steps from afresh. Okay, so let me sign out from this account. Great, I've been logged out. So here comes the crucial steps that we're going to take. Okay, so now you have to scroll until you see this F zoom out. Okay, this is the feature we are actually looking for, so just click on it, and then you want to click on this generate button. Okay, so you can click on this generate, or you can just sign up for the account, for an account right now. Okay, so I'll just click on this generate, and here comes the generation panel. Okay, so yeah, you need to add a frame, the start frame, that is the image that is going to be used for the zoom out. And for the M frame, it is something optional, which is the F that you don't want to change. Okay, as for the prompt, I've provided a prompt in the video description, so you can check the prompt from the video description. Same at the start frame, that is the image I'm going to be using. Let me take this one, give it some time to upload. Great, the image has been uploaded. So what you want to do here is just click on this generate. Don't touch anything for now, just click on this generate, and then you have to sign up with an account. Okay, you can't use the sign up with email right now. Okay, so I recommend you sign up with a Google account. Let me do that right now. So after signing up, you should be taken to the home page once more. Okay, so what you want to do is to just scroll back to that effect that we were on earlier, click on it, and then now you click on generate. Okay, you have to take back the same process. As you can see right here, just after signing up for your account, the model has been loaded. Okay, so you want to select, let it on the light mode, and then the start frame, you select your image as you did earlier, and for the prompt, you want to enter the prompt that is in the video description. Okay, so after that, you want to click generate. Okay, this is where the VPN comes into play, so just click on generate, So the VPN is going to let you get this free trial with the coins. Okay, without a VPN you will be required to pay for a subscription in order to activate your 5 credits. Okay, so the generate with the 5 entitled to it earlier just indicates that you actually have 5 free credits that you can spend for this editing. Okay, so that is the role of the VPN. That is where it comes into play. And now comes the hazard part. Okay, this is where you have to wait. You wait for a maximum or even more than 15 minutes for this to be done. Okay, for your project to be rendered. And you can't really mount them, you can't really mount pressure on them because it is actually a free process and you haven't paid for it. Unless you want to pay for it to speed up the process, you want to wait the required time to get your project done. So just give it some time and your project should be done. So after your video has been done rendering, you should see it show somewhat like this. Okay, so you can click on it to preview it, to play it. Okay, that is our zoom out. And then to download your video, you just click on the video, tap that 3-dot icon and click on download to have it downloaded. Or alternatively, you can click on this download button that is just below your screen next to the recreate button. Okay, and now that we have our zoom out video, let's get into the steps in to getting the zoom in video. So of course, to make the zoom in effect, the add zoom in effect, we are going to be using CapCut for this, which is our final touch for the video. Okay, so to do this, you just want to click on new project and then you import that video that you created earlier, just like so. If we play it, we will see that that is the zoom out video. Okay, so if you want to do something like what I did at the beginning of this video, like showing the zoom out, the zoom in before the zoom out, to give it a glowing effect or to give it a cinematic effect, you can just come onto your clip, you select the clip and then you search for duplicate. Okay, you duplicate it just like so. Okay, and you'll be editing this first one, you have to revert it just so it should sound like a zoom in and then go back to a zoom out. Let's do that right now. So just search for the reverse, just like so. Yeah, just click on reverse and let CapCut do its work. Okay, so we have our video reversed. As you can see, the earth is already showing at the start. Okay, which is showing that you're starting from out to in. So let me play this to see what effect it has. Okay, let's do that. That's the zoom in and then the zoom out. Okay, now that you have your project, all you have to do next is just to click on the export and export your project. Okay,
what is your job?
Great. So once your video has been exported, you can then start sharing it on Instagram or even TikTok. Okay, so that's just how you get to create this zoom in and zoom out effect for Instagram or TikTok or whatever platform you want to post it on. Okay, it is very easy and free, of course. Okay, so guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell icon to not miss any upcoming content from us. Alright, I'll catch you in the next episode.